Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beats. If you're new here, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Dalton Harris. As you guys know, he won X Factor yesterday and everybody is celebrating, everybody is happy. He also wanted to thank the people for voting for him and supporting him. I'm going to insert that clip right now.
Hearty congratulations to y'all, because I feel like I'm going to win. I can't open but really and truly, I can't articulate, as I said, enough how thankful I am to be given, one, a platform, two, the support that I had been given, and three, just a chance. And you were a big part of that, so thank you for being an integral role in me being the first Caribbean person I will accept. It's crazy, you know. And yeah, so the diaspora and the UK public, just thank you.
So as you can see, he's very humble, he's very thankful, and his last performance was amazing. Like I said in my other video, I didn't see any competition in that X Factor show for him. He cold-heartedly deserves everything that he is about to get. So it says, can you hear this? Can you hear this? That is your future, Judge Ananda Field said, struggling to speak above the rapture screams. Judge Robbie Williams said, we are looking at the future recording artist who is about to change the world. Simon Cowell said Dalton's performance was up there. It was spectacular. And as you guys know, Simon is very hard to please. He's not one of those judges that let you skate by through and be mediocre. You have to be greatly talented for Simon to put you up there. Mentor Louis Tomlinson gushed that was a winner's performance. You absolutely killed it. Dalton, the 2010 Digital Rising Star winner, thanked X Factor judges for the opportunity to perform and be a part of the international contest, and also express gratitude to his fans. And as you can see in the clip that I just posted, he is very humble. And was then propelled as millions of TV viewers waited for the announcement when it was declared that he had won. Dalton Harris said, I just won X Factor. Dalton's mother, Sylvia Campbell, spoke to the Luke News reporter minutes before the announcement of her son's win. And this was what she had to say. I'm just so nervous. I'm watching it now up by Cheryl's Bar, the bar you pass when coming to Songonati in Northwest Clarendon from Manchester. I'm so nervous. A few people are here and we're watching. I'm nervous, but I know he will win, she said. And that was Dalton's mother. When the reporter called back after the victory, there was a canopy of sounds in the background, and the mom said, me speechless, me nervous, me no eat from morning, me feel good so till Jesus and peace, the boy win again. Me nervous, your fault. Me friend, me son Ronald and me friend daughter, all of we up at Cheryl Bar and I watch TV. Me knock pot cover and thing, everybody happy. Me proud of him and me belly blessed again, Campbell told the Luke News moments after Dalton's victory was announced. No police can run him down, nobody can say him a scammer. I scolded him, yes, and maybe me overdo it, but him work out well. You have to scold them. I'm a proud mother. Me no care what them want say. Dalton is good to go, she declared. Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Babsy Grange congratulated Harris on his massive X Factor win. She also praised the quality of the judges who have decided that this Jamaican talent could rise to the top of the UK X Factor. Grange said Harris' victory is a sentiment to the quality of talent that we have been pushing out of Jamaica. There's no questions about how we feel about him as a Jamaican artist. We're thankful and grateful to his manager Donovan Germain for his stewardship, and I am impressed at Dalton's ability to hold his composure in the heat of a competition and deliver an impeccable and flawless performance through the entire contest. Overall, Jamaica came out on top, and yes, I have to agree, Jamaica is winning. Okay, we have supported Dalton from the beginning, from his first audition when people started telling us about him, me and my husband, and it's good to see him doing his thing. One thing I'm gonna implore him to do is save some of his money and make sure he takes care of himself mentally, physically, emotionally, and psychologically, and make sure he's ready for stardom and fame, and make sure he is right. He's in the right state of mind and right place, because he's going to be propelled into a lot, and I don't want him to lose himself. It shocked me at how well he actually performed, because he performed after they said he won. And most of the time when you won something so big and so great, it's very hard for you to hold your composure and sing, but he did a phenomenal job. Like I said, there is no other way he wouldn't win, unless that competition show was rigged or they just didn't want him to win. But that was the only way he was not going to win. So big up to Dalton, big up to everybody that voted and supported him. Shout out to everybody when you talk bad about him. Won't have to say no, nothing. Go ahead. Anyways, that's all I have to say about this topic. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
All them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.